Hey, lovely ladies. I am doing something different today because I've been asked to for a long time now, and I thought I'd just go ahead and jump in and do it real quick. Um, Here's my beauty blenders, and I wet them before I do anything, and I put my primer on. Normally, I just use whatever's in my BoxyCharm, and if I don't like it, then I'll use something else. But this is good. This is MAC Prep and Prime. I like it. What I've been doing is putting it on under the eyes thicker, and then I use this one. It's the Becca. And they have two. They have this one and this one. I like this one better. This one makes me too shiny. But I think that's what it's supposed to do. It's like illuminating. And I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it or not, the technical way, and you know, but it's what I do. I've been getting the MAC and just putting, well, that's more than what I normally do. But as I'm older, it really, the foundation, it's not really foundation, but what I use is seeping into my wrinkles, and it sucks. Was blessed with these stupid dark circles under my eyes, and nothing seems to help. And if I put concealer to cover it, then it makes me look old because of the lines. I think it is just what it is, and there's nothing I can really do about it. This is what I use for my foundation, and it's by It Cosmetics Bye Foundation, and it has sunscreen in it. I love this stuff. I have bought, I think it's just in a different bottle, and this one's medium, light. What is this one? Light medium. This one is. So I guess it's illuminating, but it's not heavy, and it gives you pretty decent coverage. And I really like it in the summer because it's not as heavy. And then I get my other beauty blender, and this does not take much. And I try to just go the places that I really need it, the coverage, and the places I don't have all the wrinkles, because the less I have of the foundation stuff, the better it doesn't sink into my pores. Sorry guys, I've never done this. I've never talked and done makeup. It's rather difficult. And if anybody is watching this that knows how to cover those dark circles without making yourself look older, tell me. I'd love to know. So I think that's pretty good coverage, right? I think it is. This is what I use on my face every day when I'm going to put makeup on. And it's not thick. It doesn't, to me, settle in my lines as bad. Y'all like my hair? I'm growing it out. This is what I've left. When I cut it so I could blend my wigs. But unfortunately, it is not getting thicker there. Thank God I have wigs, right? Okay, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed it. So today I used the MAC primer, the Becca, oh, here's the primer, and the Bye Bye foundation by It. I hope that helped the ladies that had asked me before what I use. I hope y'all have a great day. Love y'all.